In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word in seconds. No extra software needed. By the end, you'll know 2 quick, reliable ways to turn a PDF into an editable Word document using tools you already have. Microsoft Word and Google Docs. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few tips to help your converted files look their best. Let's start with Microsoft Word. If you already use Office, this is usually the fastest path. Open Microsoft Word. From there, go to File, then Open and select your PDF. Word will display a message letting you know it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK to proceed. Word will handle the conversion automatically and open a new document with your content. When you are happy with the result, go to File, then Save As, and choose Word Document or Docs. To preserve your changes going forward, saving as Docs ensures you are working with a true Word file rather than the original PDF format. A quick note on what to expect with this method: Word does an excellent job with most PDFs, including text, simple tables, and images. If your PDF has complex layouts, unusual fonts, or lots of columns and graphics, you might see minor shifts in spacing or alignment. That's normal for any converter. After opening, take a moment to scroll through and check headings, page breaks, and tables. The original PDF stays untouched, so you always have a clean reference if you need it. Now, if you don't have Word installed, Google Docs offers a free, browser-based alternative. First, upload your PDF to Google Drive. Once the upload finishes, right-click the file in Drive and choose Open With. Then select Google Docs. Google Docs will create an editable version of your PDF content in a new document. When it opens, go to File, then Download, and choose Microsoft Word .docs. That's it, you'll have a Word file you can open and edit anywhere. Keep in mind that with the Google Docs method, formatting for complex layouts may change slightly. This is especially true for multi-column designs, intricate tables, or text wrapped around images. The content will be there, but you may need a quick pass to tidy up spacing, fonts, or page breaks. For best results, keep your original PDF on hand. Give the converted document a clear file name and review the first and last pages for layout consistency. That's all you need to convert PDFs to Word quickly and without extra software. Thanks for watching.